Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this high curly bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half straight down the middle, and then we're just going to smooth each half into a high ponytail on top of the head. I've also left a couple of pieces of hair out to frame the face at the front. Next, we're going to add some heat protection spray. This one's great because it also provides a bit of hold. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then, taking the smallest curling iron that you can find, take small sections and start wrapping it around the tongue to create tiny little curls. Do this on both sides. I like to alternate the direction of my curl each time I take a new section. So you should have two curly ponytails when you've finished. And I'm just going to take hold of the ponytails about halfway down and push them up towards the elastic band, and then hold them both together at the top of the head and loosely secure them with another hair tie. Then use your fingers to spread that bun out a little bit to loosen it up, and I'm just going to secure each side of that bun with a bobby pin. Then I'm just going to pull a few pieces of hair out from that bun just to make it a little bit more messy looking, and I do this at the front and the back. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.